Today we're at Star Trail in Prosper, Texas, and I just had to start this tour in this beautiful living room. Look at that sliding glass door that opens the living room up out onto the patio, creating a seamless experience. Right next to that, we have this gorgeous kitchen with the double row of cabinets with the lights up at the top. I'd be curious to know, if you were building this house, would you put those in your kitchen? And then off here to the side, we have this great little dining room, just kind of tucked away in the corner there, still with plenty of light coming in on all three sides of that dining room. And then we have those beautiful professional grade gas appliances and a big, huge pantry. But this floor plan has something that I think will just astonish you. I have never seen anything like this before, and we're just about to see it as we enter into the owner's suite. Look at that vaulted ceiling with that wood beam, that wall of windows, the light wood flooring. It just feels so luxurious. And then here into the owner's suite bath, we have that beautiful soaking tub right there in the middle with a glass opening so that you can see into the shower, and a chandelier in the bathroom. That is something you don't see every day, but this is what you absolutely have to see. Oh my goodness. Look at this closet. I mean, I had to take a breath when I walked in. It's just absolutely unexpected and a phenomenal feature of this floor plan. Oh my goodness, it just is so stunning. And then right off of this closet is the utility room. So you don't even have to take hardly any steps to get your clothes washed. It's just right there and so convenient. I am just absolutely in love with this closet. This is the 1639 floor plan, and it has 3,789 square feet. It's 4 bedrooms, 4 full bathrooms, plus a powder bath. It's got a dining area, a study, a game room, a media room, and you could have a 3-car tandem garage. But hold on, I have to wait a second and look at that staircase. I mean, come on. This house, it just bowled me over when I saw it, and it starts at just $923,990. I mean, come on, y'all. That's an amazing price for something like this. By the way, my name is John Paul Mays. I'm a local real estate agent here in the DFW area, specializing in new construction, and I may not be the right agent for you, but more on that later. We've got our powder bath downstairs. You can see a little peek there. We've got a couple of rooms up front that we'll see here in a minute, but first I want to look at this wine cellar that they put in. What do you think about wine cellars? I'm starting to see that often where they do the glass door and they kind of capture some space that's underneath the stairs, or in between, like in a hallway. I just was curious, if you were building this house, would you put in that wine cellar there? That as we head upstairs, I just have to point out again, I am in love with these railings. It just opens the space up and just gives a little bit of a classy, modern look, maybe somewhat industrial. And up here, we're going to see the game room, which is one of the first rooms upstairs. You've got lots of light that comes in, these little alcoves. You can see over to the downstairs area. And they've built this in with a little kitchenette upstairs with a refrigerator, some countertops, just so that, like, if you're upstairs watching a movie or hanging out, you can grab a drink. And oh yeah, here we go, Magic 8 Ball. Should I buy this property or not? And it says, oh, I can't read it. We'll try again. See, what does it say? Oh well, let's forget that and move on. Now, as we head down the hallway, we're going to see kind of where the first bedrooms are. We've got a bathroom here to the right. It's not an ensuite, but it is, I guess if you have guests over, it's that first bathroom that's upstairs. And this first bedroom would also use that full bathroom. And here is our first bedroom. I think we have a golf theme going over here. Do we have any golfers out there that would love this setup? It's a good size room for a secondary bedroom. You've got a walk-in closet. In this particular model, they didn't extend the wood floors in, so it's got carpet, which is kind of nice in a bedroom. Here we have our next ensuite bedroom. It's got a bathroom right as you walk in, a nice full bathroom with everything that you need. Here we have a walk-in closet, and then here is Grant's room. We got a spaceship and kind of a space theme here, which I think is kind of a fun touch. I always enjoy going into these models and seeing how they decorate each room. You know, sometimes it gives me ideas for my own house. And then as we head down to the last bedroom, we've got another game room over there to the right, which we'll see here in a second. I'm sorry, to the left. This is also, here's Nora, little girl's room. So cute. It has got a walk-in closet, and it also has its own full bath. And look at that tile. I mean, I've seen this here lately where in your secondary bathrooms or like in your laundry room, you just go all out on just like this absolutely super cool tile that you normally wouldn't do. What do you think about that idea? Here we have another game room. Maybe this would be a good media room. They put those barn doors over the railing, so I guess you could close it to block some of the light out. Kind of a good idea. And here we head back over that magnificent staircase. I mean, I'm just going to point out those railings again. I mean, what a unique feature to add to a new construction home. I mean, normally what you would see is just half walls or full walls surrounding the staircase. And this was such a cool idea just to kind of open the space up. And then as we head downstairs, here is another media room. So like this floor plan has so much flexible space that you could use this kind of any way that you wanted to. Just so many options. Here we have a little mud bench right off the garage, and then we have another bedroom right up front. This would be good for like a multi-generational living situation, you know, mother-in-law, grandma, or just friends and family coming over. And it's got the cutest little ensuite bathroom right off the bedroom, so that when your guests retire for the evening, you know, they don't have to walk out into a public space to use the restroom or take a shower or anything like that. I mean, it's just the perfect little guest suite. And then right up front, we also have this office with these cool little built-ins and that artwork that you're supposed to tell the psychiatrist what you think you see. I thought that was an interesting thing. I mentioned earlier in the video that I may not be the right agent for you, but if you're looking for new construction homes in the DFW area, then congratulations, I am the agent for you, and my contact information is in the description below.